Hello and welcome to Rossalare Security Products. My name is David Bramlett and I am the Technical Support Manager for Rossalare US and Canada. Today we are going to talk about programming a standalone reader. Rossalare has two types of standalone readers. We have the AC version, which is a standalone only and cannot be used as a reader off of one of our AC panels or expanse panels. We have the AYC version, which is a convertible that can be used either as a reader or as a standalone controller used with our PS25T power supply. You can get a copy of a quick reference guide if you go to our website www.axtraxng.com. That's AXTRAXNG.com. Go to Browse Files, scroll down till you get to Standalone Reader and choose the Programming a Standalone Reader. Our standalone readers can handle up to 500 PIN or card numbers. The factory default PIN number on our readers is 2580. We'll see the right light turn on, telling us that it has unlocked the lock, and it has done that for 4 seconds. To go into programming on our readers, factory programming code is 1234. We do a pound 1234. Right light turns green to tell us that we are into programming. Do a pound, and it takes us out of programming. The most simple programming is just a single PIN number. Sometimes your customer will want one PIN number, and all you have to do to program the single PIN number is to go into programming, pound 1234, choose 1 to change the code, and put in your new PIN code. You'll hear 3 beeps. It'll go back to the left green light, and that has changed our factory default code from 2580, which does nothing, to the 3333, and now that will open our door. Most people, however, will want us to use multiple PIN numbers, and in this case the way that we program multiples is we would go into programming and do a pound 234, a 7. We always have to start with our first slot number. In this case it's new, so it would be slot 001. We would put in our PIN number, which is going to be 4444. Choose pound to stop, and then pound to get out of programming. Now we have 44 as our primary open code. Our next step would be to add multiple users. This is a very easy process. We would follow the same process as adding a user, except once we hit the pound key, our reader automatically advances the slot number, and then we would just enter another PIN number, pound, third PIN number, pound, etc. until we finished. So we would do a pound 234 to go into programming, a 7 for adding cards or pins, slot number 001, first PIN number is 4444, pound, it automatically advances slot, 6666, automatically advances, but I am through, so I pound, now I'm out. Now my 4444 is programmed, my 5555 is programmed, and my 6666 is programmed. This particular reader is a PIN and prox. To add a card or a fob, we follow the exact same procedures, except we do a badge swipe instead of a PIN number entry. So we would go into programming, 7 to add. We're going to put this in slot 5, 005. Swipe our badge. It has read it. Pound to complete, and pound to get out of programming. We swipe our badge, it reads the badge, and now it opens the door. To delete users, there's two ways. To go into delete, we do a pound, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8. And if we want to delete slot 1, we do a 001, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is our programming number, and we have deleted slot 1. That is gone. If we don't know our slot number and we need to delete the pin number, we would do a 2, 3, 4 to go into programming, and 8 to delete. A default slot number 000. Put in the pin number we want to delete. Put in our programming code, and that has deleted that pin number. Is gone. Once we've finished programming, we would always want to change the programming code. At this time, our programming code is 1, 2, 3, 4. To change our programming code, we would go into programming, pound, 1, 2, 3, 4. We would choose 3 to change the program code and put in a new programming code. 3 beeps and back to the left, and we have changed our programming code. Error. We go into programming. The last thing that I would like to show you here is that if we mess up, and we do frequently, the easiest way to default back to our factory default is pound, our programming code, 0, 0. 2 flashing reds. Put in our programming code again. 3 beeps and back to the left, and now we are back at factory default. Thank you.